When you do 3D scanning, have you ever wondered why some scans match the real object perfectly and some show every little tiny detail? Today we're clearing up the three concepts: accuracy, precision, and resolution. Hi everyone, I'm Mia from Shining 3D. Welcome back to 3D Scan 101. Let's start with the most common mix-up: accuracy versus precision. Think of accuracy as hitting the bullseye. It tells you how close your scan is to the real size of the object. You can even put a number on it, like plus and minus 1 millimeter. That's exactly how far off your scan is from the real size. Precision is different. It's all about consistency. Imagine you keep hitting the same spot on the target, even if it's not the bullseye. That's precision. Quick tip: a 3D scanner can be precise but inaccurate, or accurate but imprecise. For 3D scanning, we definitely want both. And here's where Shining 3D Metrology's OptimScan Q12 HD shines. It has high accuracy up to 4 microns and consistently precise scan data, perfect for reliable measurements. Alright, now let's talk about resolution. This one is all about detail, not correctness. Check this out. Same part, 2 scans. High resolution brings clear details. Low resolution results details lost. In 3D scanning, resolution is about point distance, the space between scan points. The smaller the distance, the clearer the 3D details. Resolution is hugely dependent on camera lens. For example, OptimScan Q12 HD has 4 12.3 megapixels cameras, capturing up to 0.02 millimeters detail, surprisingly sharp. Here's a quick clarification. Resolution and accuracy are totally different things, even though both use numbers. They're independent, but sometimes they work together. Think about Q12 HD scanning a small turbine blade. 0.02 millimeters resolution captures every sharp edge, and 4 microns accuracy makes sure each edge is right where it should be for assembly. So quick recap: accuracy is how true your scan is, precision is how consistent your results are, and resolution is how much detail you can see. Which one do you care about most? For us, we want all of them. Like and subscribe to Shining 3D for more 3D scanning knowledge and see how far you can push your scanning.